Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this case of Hot Wheels cars. These are made in Thailand and it's the new Boulevard series. And it's case A, so the first series. I already pre-opened the box. So let's have a look inside. There are 10 cars inside and some very nice ones. All premium with real riders. So let's have a look inside. Let's turn the case and take the first one out. There is already a very nice one. It's a Nissan Skyline Gtr, the R33. And there is the new Boulevard packaging. I just received these yesterday, 2 cases, case A and case B. So I'm very happy to have them at last. There you can see the base with real riders. Front of the car. It's a great version. There you have the typical Nissan Skyline backlights, rear lights, nice spoiler. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There you have the number. And there you can see where it's made in Thailand, of course, in the year. And there are the 5 cars of this set. I have quite a few of the old release of Boulevard, but not all. So let's have a look at the next one. So you have 2 of each. And this is also a very nice one. There's the art of the packaging. And it's a Chevy Silverado 83 4x4. With a higher stance, and this is a very nice one. It looks a bit like another release, a convention release, and I'm quite sure I have that one, the convention one. It's worth quite some money now. So this is number 5, and the packaging is the same as the other one. Here you have the real riders, the front of the car, nice rims. Great version. Happy with this one. Let's have a look at the next one. And that's the Volkswagen T1 panel bus. Used very much in the pop culture series. I have quite a few of them, of the pop culture series. There are not many normal releases without the art of pop culture on it. The checkered flag on top, and this is an Urban Outlaw release Nice version. There's the base, rubber tires of course. There is the Magnus Walker logo. Nice art. Okay, next one. There's another one which we already have seen. Same with this one, 2 of each. And here is the next one. It's a 67 Camaro, number 4. There's the art. And I think they have removed the door lines on this model. There are many of this one. Too many to collect them all for me. I have quite a few, but not all. And I'm not intending to buy all. There are just too many of them. There's the base. Real riders. Number 4. And there will be another one of number 4. And the last one, and not least, that's the Bone Shaker. And I do like this casting very much. With an open roof. You'll also have a closed roof, but this one has an open roof. I have quite a few of this casting. I do like it very much. Try to get all the good ones. The Super Treasure Hunt, I do have that one also. Base. Yes, very nice. There's the skull. It's a nice version, this one. So, there's the art. So that's my review. I think I have them all. Yes. These are all of them. There is only one left, but that's already a version we have seen. So that's all 10 of them. So that's my review of Case A from the Boulevard series, the new Boulevard series. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.